Hi, it's Sandra, and I'm going to pick a winner for my July giveaway. So if you don't remember, the two things I was giving away is this Maniology Mermaid plate, and I'm going to do a Lantern and Wren stamper, monocle stamper. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see who wins. Good luck to everyone. And the winner is at VINOTO. At Vinoto. And I believe this person has won before, which is fine, but congratulations to Vinoto. And as soon as you send me your address, name and address, I will mail these two nail stamping products out, and you can mail it to nailstampology@gmail.com. So congratulations again to Vinoto, and thanks for watching.